Post-respiratory failure demise and heart attack death rate higher in ladies than men. The fantasy of premenopausal ladies encountering less occasions of heart sicknesses contrasted with men is unconfirmed, specialists say. In the meantime, they caution that stroke, cardiovascular breakdown and death toll after a respiratory failure happen substantially more regularly in ladies. While ladies have a lower chance of living with cardiovascular occasions, it is realized that there are higher paces of death toll after unexpected creating coronary illness. While exploring the reasons for this, it was observed that there were contrasts between the two genders for the situation to cardiovascular infections. To begin with, ladies were found to have less admittance to medicines like angiography, open heart medical procedure, and heart batteries. Particularly in ladies under 55 years old, the utilization of angiography and stent in instances of respiratory failure is less regular than in different patients, which prompts more unfriendly occasions and death toll in the checking of these patients. In any case, that this by itself was sufficiently not to make sense of the various rates between sexual orientations, as was found in the recently distributed research. Indeed, even in the wake of getting angiography and stent therapy for each age bunch, no matter what the wiped-out orientation, contrasts were seen among ladies and men. Regardless of whether any remaining gamble factors were thought of and proper mediations were taken for coronary episodes, the gamble of short and long-haul stroke, cardiovascular breakdown, or death toll in ladies expanded by a few times, contrasted with that in men. Research recommends ladies ought to be cautious about eating, working out, and staying away from destructive propensities like smoking to save their heart well-being. Ladies who have hypertension or diabetes during pregnancy have an expanded gamble of heart and vascular illnesses over the long haul. Polycystic overcondition and early menopause, particularly younger than 40, likewise make ladies inclined to coronary illness. Close observing of ladies with these findings according to a cardiological perspective guarantees that early insurances can be taken concerning the chance of a respiratory failure. Expanding attention to ladies' heart well-being and not passing on ordinary cardiological checks is critical to forestall unfavorable results, specialists say.